let's go into the F drive and just execute the program, and you will see that the TheBATeam folder is getting created and it is coming and going. After it is being created and deleted every 1 second using the script, and you can do that. You can create thousands of folder in the loop, and but what will this will only mess your PC. So here I'm also removing, likewise creating. So let me delete that folder and let us analyze using the Sublime text editor. Hey, hello YouTube, I am Karan from Bharat, and this is the fourth part of the series Batch Programming Basics. So in this video, as we are following my book, and we have talked about the for loop in the previous section or previous parts, and I have divided the for loop in 3 parts in 3 videos. So hope you have seen those videos. So in this video we're going to talk about other commands which you can use as loops, GOTO command, and there is no while loop in the CMD. I'll try to give my reason, but how I have understood that why there is no while loop, and we can create a while loop inside CMD of our own. So let's directly jump into it. So just open command prompt, window or CMD, and there is a statement called GOTO command. So just write the command name and /? to know more about it in the CMD console. So the brief description says that directs CMD to a label line in the batch program. So it is clearly stated that this command is for batch programs. So let me show you how you can use that. Let me open a notepad for the beginners, and you can do it in other editors also. So for this tutorial I'm gonna use notepad. So just write @echo of cls. You can or cannot, it is not necessary to write @ but I like @ because that is the traditional way of doing batch programs. So let's change the title. We are writing now multiple commands here. So what I'm trying here is I'm turning the current directory off, as we have already known from the previous tutorials, clearing the console screen, and then changing the title to a text that I desire, like a tutorial for GOTO command. And let me create a label. So this is called a label. The label starts with a colon and then the name of the label. So I will name it as top. You can also name it as main, like in the C programs we used int main, so this can be your main. And then in the end of the loop, to create a loop, you just need to write GOTO and then the name of the label main. You can, or it is not necessary to use colon in front of your name of the label. You can also use this format also, but I prefer this one because it is more precise and creates no confusion for the interpreter of CMD. So let's write some code here. Let us create a folder md, name as the
Sir,
team.
battery is 49%.
Okay, Jarvis. This program will keep on interrupting us, so let me kill it first. In the details, battery.exe and process tree. Just now we'll have our piece. So I'm creating a folder, then a timeout for a delay of, let's say, 2 seconds, let's say 3 seconds, and then we are going to remove the folder TheBATeam, and we'll keep on doing that. Okay, I don't want to save. You can see all the shortcuts here. and let me write a delay of 1 second here and then a delay of 1 second here, and let me save the script in my F drive, name it as GOTO example.bat. so you can see the name is changed, so let me close that.
Let's go into the F drive and just execute the program, and you will see that the TheBATeam folder is getting created and it is coming and going after it is being created and deleted every 1 second using the script. And you can do that, you can create thousands of folders in the loop, and but what will this will only mess your PC. So here I'm also removing, likewise creating. So let me delete that folder and let us analyze using the Sublime Text Editor.
Let's be some advanced and analyze things in a better way. So you know the purpose of these commands and this also. So in the main loop, it is called the loop. So this is the label and this is the GOTO command turning the position to back to the label. So what we are doing is when CMD will enter the label, it will see a timeout command, so it will delay for 1 second and then it will create a folder named TheBATeam, then again a delay of 1 second and then it will remove other folder named TheBATeam, and then the CMD is commanded to go to the main again. So from here the control jumps back to this position, the 6th line, and again the same process repeats itself. After 1 second a folder is created, after 1 second the folder is removed again, then so this keeps on repeating itself as there is no break or there is no condition for getting out of the loop, so the loop keeps on running. So this is what the GOTO command does. So we can use the GOTO command as loop, and the for loop is not the only loop. We can also create loops using the GOTO command, and there is no while loop in the CMD because we don't need one, because we can create one. Just here we can convert this GOTO loop into a while loop condition. So let's create a counter set. What we need a set command to create variables. Let's create a variable named count and assign a value of 1 in it. So right here, if condition, so we are combining multiple commands here. If, so we are going to compare numbers, integers, so we are not going to use double quotes, so keep that in mind. If, as count is a variable, so use percentage around it. If count is equal to let's say 5, so we are turning the control to end. Let's say create a label here end and write a command echo out of the loop. Okay, we are now out of the loop, and then pause. We need to pause the console, otherwise it will get closed automatically. So I have written pause command here. So here the loop is still an infinite loop because we are just specifying the value of count, but we are not increasing count. So we need to increase count each time the loop went on. So count, you can do that with 2 methods, either this way, which is a more standard way. What you are doing is you are adding in the value of count, the 1, so the new count will be 1 more than the previous count. Or you can do that in a short manner, plus equal to 1. Just write this one, so it will automatically add 1 to the count value. So now this is what we have is while loop. So these 2 lines will make our GOTO loop as a while loop, so it will work as a while loop. So let me save it, Control S, minimize it, and again run it. So you will see a folder getting created in my F drive. So after 5 times it is now out of the loop, so the program has stopped, and you can press any key and it will close itself. So that is how you can create loops other than the for loop inside the batch programs. So I hope you will like this tutorial, and if you have any suggestions or any you want to give any appreciation, please show it in the comments and read the description for more details. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video. Bye bye.